You're welcome to online lectures with Pharmaceutical the schoolboy. Today, we'll take a look at pharmaceutical calculations. And the topic we'll look into today is density, specific gravity, and specific volume. Density, specific gravity, and specific volume. All right, okay, as usual, we pick a question and solve. On this topic, we pick our questions for today from a textbook, Pharmaceutical Calculations by Howard C. Ansel, 14th edition. Page 80, the practice problems on page 80. Page 80, question number page 80, question number 11. Question number 11. All right, let me write down the question so we can take it off from there. Question number 11. Okay, the question says, what is the weight in kilograms of 5 liters of sulfuric acid with a specific gravity of 1.84? What is the weight in kilograms of 5 liters of sulfuric acid with a specific gravity of 1.84? For us to be able to answer this question, we need to know what specific gravity is. What specific gravity is? Specific gravity is a dimensionless quantity. It's derived, dimensionless. It has no unit. It's a relative. Trying to comparing the weight of a particular substance to the weight of equal volume of water or a standard. Generally, specific gravity can be defined as the ratio of the weight of a substance to the weight of a standard that has the same volume with the substance in question. The ratio of the weight of a substance to the weight of a standard that have the same volume with the substance. The standard can be water, it can be hydrogen, depending on the nature of the substance in question. If the substance is a solid, the standard is, if the substance is a solid or a liquid, the standard is water. But if the substance in question is a gas, then the standard is hydrogen gas. So, if we want to define specific gravity with respect to sulfuric acid here is a liquid. So, we can now define the specific gravity of sulfuric acid as the ratio of the weight of sulfuric acid to the weight of water that has the same volume as the sulfuric acid in question. So here now you can say that the specific gravity of sulfuric acid here now is the weight of sulfuric acid that has is the ratio of the weight of sulfuric acid to the weight of water that has a volume of what? 5 liters. You know that if a substance has a specific gravity that is above 1, greater than 1, that substance is heavier than water. If you mix that substance and water together, water will float on that substance. But if the substance has a specific gravity less than 1, that is 0 point something down, that substance, when mixed with water, that substance will float on top of water. So with the specific gravity of sulfuric acid being 1.84, it's clear that sulfuric acid is heavier than water. And when two of them are together, sulfuric acid will float. That is if under normal circumstance. Now, that's what it means under normal circumstance. Especially when the substance does not dissolve in water anyway. Like something like oil. If oil is mixed with water, because oil does not dissolve, some oil that has specific gravity of less than 1 will float on water. Let us now look at this. So the only thing we can deduce from here is that sulfuric acid is heavier than water. And if you get the same volume of sulfuric acid and get the same volume of water, say 5 liters or any volume, so you can weigh two of them, even though they have the same volume. But if you weigh the two of them, the sulfuric acid will be heavier than water. That's what specific gravity is trying to let us know. So with that at the back of our mind, let us solve this question. Solution. Let's solve this question now. So specific gravity is denoted with a symbol. So specific gravity of sulfuric acid, let me use sulfuric acid, is equal to weight of sulfuric acid over weight of water that has the same volume as the sulfuric acid. So the specific gravity of sulfuric acid is weight of sulfuric acid over the weight of water that has the same volume as the sulfuric acid. You can also this can also be called weight of equal volume of water. Yes, this can also be called weight of equal volume of water. This weight of water that has the same volume as the sulfuric acid can also be called the weight of equal volume of water. Now from here now we can solve this question. We are given the specific gravity of sulfuric acid as 1.84. So 1.84 is equal to what? Weight of sulfuric acid. Weight of sulfuric acid, we are not given the weight of sulfuric acid. We are only told to find weight of sulfuric acid in kilograms. So we are not given the weight of sulfuric acid. I'll denote it as W. All over. The weight of water that has the same volume as sulfuric acid. Now this is where the main thing lies now. Weight of water that has the same volume as the sulfuric acid. Now let's start from the volume of the sulfuric acid. What is that volume of the sulfuric acid? The volume is 5 liters. We want to find weight of water that has the same volume as the sulfuric acid. But the volume of the sulfuric acid is what? 5 liters. So if the volume of the sulfuric acid is 5 liters, since the water has the same volume as that sulfuric acid, that means the volume of water is what? 5 liters. The volume of water is what? 5 liters. And if the volume of water is 5 liters, what is that weight? Now, for water, 1 gram of water is equal to can be taken as what? 1 ml. 1 gram can be taken as what? 1 ml. So if 1 gram can be taken as 1 ml, that means 1,000 ml can be taken as what? 1 kilogram. 1,000 ml can be taken as what? 1 kilogram, which is what? 1 liter. If 1 gram is 1 ml for water, under specific conditions anyway, 1 kilogram is 1,000 ml, which is 1 liter. Therefore, for water, 1 kilogram is what? 1 liter. So if 1 kilogram is 1 liter for water, that means 5 liters. Because we said that the sulfuric acid has the same volume as water, so the volume of water is 5 liters. Therefore, 5 liters of water will now have what weight? What weight will 5 liters of water have? So 5 liters of water will now have 5 kilograms. So this weight of water that has the same volume as sulfuric acid will now be what? 5 kilograms. So if this is specific gravity, 1.84 is now equal to weight of the sulfuric acid over what? 5 kilograms. So we make this weight the subject of the formula. So the weight of the sulfuric acid is now equal to 1.84 times 5 kilograms, which is what? So 1.84 times 5 kilograms will now be what? If you make this 10, we arrive at 18.4. 18.4 divided by 2 will now be 9.2. So here should be what? 9.2 kilograms. Yes, because if you call this 10 now and multiply this by 10, this decimal point will become here, we call 18.4. This is half of 10 is 5. So if you divide this 10 by 2, you have 9. The answer is 9.2 kilograms. The answer is 9.2 kilograms. So the weight of the sulfuric acid, the weight of the sulfuric acid in kilogram is what? 9.2 what? Kilogram. So 9.2 kilogram of sulfuric acid that has volume of 5 liters, we have the what? Specific gravity of what? Has specific gravity of what? 1.84 thereabouts. So the answer is what? 9.2 kilograms. Please, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Call this line. Call this line on the board 08138682003. Call this line on the board and ask your question. If you have any question, and I will attend to you now, here and now. We are We are live. We are live. Ask your question if you have any. Ask your question if you have any. Ask your question if you have any. We have 1 minute more. Okay, while we wait for your question, I want to make one or two announcements. The first announcement I want to make is that every Saturday from 7 a.m. to 7:10 a.m. I organize academic competition I titled Academic Battle with Pharmaceutical the Schoolboy. Registration for this academic competition is free of charge, and there are prizes to be won. So if you are interested in this academic competition, please feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp on 081, the number on the board, 081 3868 2003. Chat me up for details on the academic competition. Another announcement I want to make is that every day from 3 a.m. we are here live for pharmaceutical calculations, 3:30 a.m. for chemistry, 4 a.m. for physics, then 4:30 a.m. for mathematics. Please share this information with your friends, with your colleagues, with your children, your students. Someone out there may be in need of these lectures. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Pharmaceutical the School Board. Follow me on Facebook. Facebook is Pharmaceutical the School Board. Also follow me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is Pharmaceutical the School Board. You can as well follow me in Instagram, on Instagram, TikTok, and the Twitter at Pharmaceutical83. I'm also on AudioMark for audio lectures. In AudioMark, you can also follow me there. In AudioMark at Pharmaceutical the schoolboy, all small letters. Please comment on these videos and share them. God bless you as you do so. See you next time.